Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you the new way how you can export your report as a CSV file to Excel, for example, or Google Sheet, whatever. So this is like really cool because in past it would take like 4 minutes, 5, 6 to do it. Right now I will show you a really simple way. So let's just click reports and let's just click the first I have here. So let's click on edit now. And you need some data. So let's say I'm going to just delete these two group rows here, and also I'm going to, our chart is not here anymore. All right, and now what you want to do is when you have it, you want to click run, and when you're gonna click run, you will here on next to edit, you will find an arrow, and you want to click here on export. Oh my god, you never saw this coming, right? How easy it's going to be. Export, and now, so you can go with the formatted report, but it will going to export you this, right? But if you're gonna click on export on details only, and then you go like CSV file, and you can also choose encoding, just export, and voila, CSV file. 1 minute and you got it all. No 7, 15, 20 minutes of tutorials. Really simple. On this computer I don't have Excel, I'm using only Google Sheets, but yeah, this is how you can make it. Yeah, I don't even have it here. So yeah, thank you very much everyone for watching. If this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe. You know the drill, you know how it works. So that's kind of it. Goodbye.